Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contra Podcast. You are listening to Consan Show, episode number 158. And in this episode, we are going to discuss about why are entrepreneurs so greedy. And people feel like these entrepreneurs are so greedy that they need lots of money, even though if you give $1 billion per day, they are not even satisfied. They just want to work. And why is that really happening? Let's get started. Never listen to any advice. That's the advice that I want to give. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. To be true, being an entrepreneur, there are plenty of people in this entire world who doesn't even understand your vision, your mission, and your entire life goal. So that is the reason plenty of people feel like you are completely greedy, or you are the person who feels like even though someone gives you $1 trillion to you per day, you'll be still working day and night just to make some more money. No, it's not really that. It's not money that entrepreneurs really work for. Money is just a byproduct of their particular work. Money is just a byproduct of their hard work. That is what I wanted to mention. It's not the money that entrepreneurs really work for. It is their happiness, it is their passion that they have for their job, that they have for their vision of their entire life. That is what the truth is. If someone would just ask Jeff Bezos to stop working today, and the money that he made, it is really awesome. I mean, he's somewhere at the verge of becoming $1 trillion person in probably 5 years or 10 years. If someone would just ask Jeff Bezos, you're the world's richest man, why should you really work? You have plenty of money coming in from your Amazon website, coming in from some other byproducts of your Amazon things. Why should you really work on? You could just you can just sleep all day and feel so happy that you'll be the world's richest man throughout probably until 2 years or 3 years. Why should you really work? Someone just asked Jeff Bezos this question, he might really answer that he's not doing it for money. Money is just a byproduct. He has a vision that let's just talk about his blue origin. He just want humans to be intercolonial species. What does that really mean in the sense? Jeff Bezos is trying to establish colonies on space, and that is the reason he wanted to work on Blue Origin. It's not the money that they are really working for, it is their passion. And this is how entrepreneurs get completely misunderstood by mediocre people, or by some other average people in this entire world. It's not the money that they are motivated about. It is their personal goals, it is their personal vision. Even though if you could give me more money, I'm not a person who's gonna stop this entire videos. Even though if I get 1 million views for one video, I'm not a person who will just stop this. Even though if you could give me 1 million product in my production and sell everything and give me $1 billion, I'm not a person who's gonna stop it. I just have my own vision, and every entrepreneurs have their own vision. This is how entrepreneurs are, and that is how crazy they are. I can't just judge people saying that he's a great entrepreneur, he's a great person, he has tons of farmhouse, he has tons of cars, and why should he really work? That is the mindset of a mediocre person. Try to change that. If you just have that particular mindset, try to change that. Entrepreneurs have their own vision. If you are working on your vision, you won't be having any time to look at someone else and say that he might be gone mad. Why is he really working? He's the world's richest man. No, you might not have enough time to think that particular thing. And that is how things are, guys. And if you want to become an entrepreneur, make sure you just start a business. Your ideas, you might have tons of ideas. How do you take action? That really matters. Everyone has tons of ideas, but converting that particular ideas into action is what makes you a real entrepreneur. Until then, you are just an imaginary entrepreneur. You think that you are an entrepreneur. No, you are not really an entrepreneur. You are just you just have a wish, convert that into action, you become an entrepreneur. And the shout out in this particular episode is for Hussain Creates. So the link will be over here. Follow him on Instagram. I follow him, and he gives some valuable contents, guys. He motivates me too, and it's a great page to go through and follow him, and you get tons of knowledge from that particular page. That is what I wanted to mention. And yeah, I'm giving shout out to everyone who just comment on my episodes. Make sure you guys comment on this video or my particular episodes, pictures, or any podcast you give. I give a shout out for you people. And yeah, it's me Sanjay signing off from Contour Podcast. Meet you guys at the top.